The FinCEN BOI Report. In this video, I'm going to answer questions about the FinCEN BOI Report. I will describe the 5 W's. And what are the 5 W's? The who, the what, the where, the when, why, and how. But the order might change a little bit in order to make the information more useful and relevant. Let's start with the what. What is the FinCEN BOI report? I will start by defining FinCEN. FinCEN stands for Financial Crimes Enforcement Network. This is an office which is under the Department of the Treasury. It's similar to the Internal Revenue Service, which is also under Department of the Treasury. What does this FinCEN office do? This office collects and analyzes information about financial transactions in order to combat domestic and international money laundering, terrorist funds financing, and other crimes. So pretty much this office is saying is the FinCEN office is to protect people from doing bad things. What about BOI? BOI stands for Beneficial Ownership Information. What is that in English? Well, if I can speak any. It simply means the information about the owners or the applicants of a business or company. All right, who needs to file the FinCEN BOI report? Both domestic and foreign companies doing business in the United States are required to file this report. Here's my advice. If you have a limited liability company, an LLC, you have a partnership or an S corp, file the report. There's no penalty for filing the report if you are not required to. But there is a hefty penalty for not filing the report or not providing the information of your business on time. The Corporate Transparency Act says violating BOI reporting requirements you may be subject to penalties of civil penalties of up to $500 a day or criminal penalties of up to 2 years imprisonment and a fine of up to $10,000. File the report. Why would you want to go to jail or be penalized for not filing the report? It's a simple report. Go ahead and file it. Then the why. Why does my company need to file the BOI report? Again, it's the law, the Corporate Transparency Act, which requires you to file it. When do I need to file this report? It all depends on when your company was registered or created to do business in the United States. So if your company was registered before January 1, 2024, then you have until January 1, 2025 to file the report. If your company was registered on or after January 1, 2024, but before January 1, 2025, you have 90 days to file the report once your company has been approved or registered to do business in the United States. Then where do I file this report? You file the report on the FinCEN website, and I'll leave the website address down below where you can go and file the report. Please be careful because the FinCEN office has been notified of fraud attempts to solicit information from individuals and entities So be careful. This report is free. Don't pay companies out there saying that you need to pay to the FinCEN. No, the report is free. And then finally, how do I file this report? You go to the FinCEN website as provided and file the report there. You provide the information about your business, about yourself, about your partners, and file the report. Another alternative is to have your tax, financial, or legal advisor complete the report for you. It's during the tax season anyways. This is the best time to file the report ahead of time, not waiting later on. Another alternative is to contact us. We can assist you with filing the report. Please visit us at our website, www.mariguconsulting.com, and request for assistance. In the next video, I will provide a step-by-step guide on how to file the BOI report. That's it. There you have it. The what, the who, when, why, and how to file the FinCEN BOI report.